Indices continue to crash today as well. We have seen S&P coming towards 5800, the tech 100 towards 2720 levels, and US30 is seen close to 42020. Can we expect this waterfall crash to continue today? Can we expect a major drop again, or there is a possibility of a reversal? Yes, we have the CPI, core CPI data getting released today, which is Fed's preferred inflation gauge, and that should also add to the volatility. Besides, this is the triple witching day today. This is where the quarterly, weekly, monthly options getting expired today. Definitely there are huge amount of options are getting expired today, and thus the volatility is definitely there on the cards today. Those who are trading with light-hearted people should not try to jump in. Take your trades with caution. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have profited. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into Nasdaq, followed with Dow Jones. Dow Jones on the hourly charts, you can see lower lows are getting created, and it is certainly trading bearish. There is no doubt on the that. We have seen a good fall now, hitting 2720 zone. Now, see, now 27,700 should be a good support here. Look at the formation here. Look at the formation here. This is how it has been trading, and this is a bearish channel. Now it is very, very important for the tech 100 to trade above 2850 levels first, and then 21,020 levels second. If 21,020, 21,040 levels are taken, consider that as a reversal where you can expect 21,160, 200 levels as well. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. One thing is very, very clear, that the swings are there on the cards today again as well. Moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bearish. The stochastic oversold here. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is oversold. Indicators are trading oversold, but hardly matters. When it is stayed overbought for months and weeks, nobody has questioned. Now it is staying oversold. So I think it can sustain this as well. But yes, besides the indicator, there is a little possibility for a reversal. Look at the 2-hour chart. See, staying bearish here, delivering lower lows. Now waiting for a move above 2850 levels. That should confirm a further rise and a reversal here. Now if you look at, see, lower lows are done. It is trying to recover a bit. I see a possible recovery is there on the cards, but 2850, very, very important. 2850, 870, then 2950 and 21,000 levels. If these levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater recovery here in tech 100. The stochastic is staying oversold. MACD has seen a sharper trip, and see, it is staying with the bearishness. It is still looking downwards. It has breached the critical support at minus 200, which is indeed a very good, very lower levels from where the recovery can be expected. See, when it was bullish, these are the levels from where it has always tried to retrace, and now when it is bearish, these are the levels from which it can try to recover. RSI is staying oversold here. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See, third bearish candle in making here, and it can show you swings. Now only level, only reversal confirmation is if you see it is staying about 21,000, 21,020 levels. Beyond this, it can try to fly towards 21,200, 250 levels as well. Now right now it is staying bearish, looking downwards. See, yes, another point to look at is the momentum is getting diminished on the downside, which means now, despite it trading with the flow here, I think there are greater supports, and now the momentum is definitely getting diminished on the downside, which calls for a recovery. So this is something you should watch out for. The stochastic definitely is oversold. The MACD is extremely bearish, looking downwards. This has also come towards lower levels, minus 200, minus 300. In general, when it is bullish also, we have seen it reversing from these levels. Now when it is bearish, we can expect a reversal again from these levels. RSI extremely oversold here. Coming to 4-hour chart, the observation is more or less same on the 4-hour charts. Lower lows are done, ready for a retracement, ready for a recovery, it appears. But I think on the upside, it is going to be difficult for it to stay about 21,000, 21,020 levels, because beyond this, where we can see we can expect a reversal from those levels. And if you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD extremely bearish as well. The RSI oversold as well. Coming to the daily. Now notice on the daily charts what has happened. Lower lows are done. It is trading now below the 50 period moving average. It appears the 100 period moving average is on the cards, which is right now far below at around 20,500 levels. So yes, it can deliver a similar size of candle. See, a bigger candle, a consolidation or a step candle, and see, it has delivered higher lows yesterday. Now it is ready to take a greater dip. It is possible that the CPI data can crash it towards 2500, 2400 levels. Now 2720, 2700 zone, if it takes, it is going to be a good indication that we may look forward to 2650 and 2600 zone. These are the two support levels where we have to exercise extra caution. Only and only if it breaks below 2650 and 600, you can look forward to the next move towards 2500, and then in fact the next stronger support is only at 20400. Be mindful, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. While on the upside, now it is very crucial for it to break this threshold, turn and trade about 21,120 100 levels. So once this is taken, then you can say now this is the reversal, and yes, it can rise, it can reverse, it can trade in green again. Stochastic oversold. See, MACD is crossed over and it is definitely trading bearish, there is no doubt about that, and this crossover is also coming from higher levels, which calls for a higher or a sharper correction here. RSI has dropped sharp, so considering this, I will recommend you to only buy at 2820 levels, and very very important for it to trade about 2858 60. If this is taken, chances are high that we may see 2940, 21,000, and if 21,000, 21,020 is taken, chances will be very very high that we may see 21,100 and in fact 21,200 levels. Beyond this, it is possible that we may see 21,320 and 21,400 levels as the next targets. Chances for such a stronger rise appears less, but yes, swings are definitely there on the charts. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 2,720 levels, below which you can expect 2,660, 2,600. If 2,600 is taken, you can stay short for 4,500 and then 2,400 as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now US30 on the hourly charts, it has moved close to 42,030 levels, and now see, once again look at this. This could be a reversal sign here. This could be a reversal sign here. Again, I am signaling this. And now once it trades beyond 42,150 200 zone, that should be the point from which you can say now the bulls are back in action, and we can look forward to 42,250 300. And if that is taken, we are looking forward to greater correction here in US30. Right now I can see lower lows are there, lower highs are there. Let it break beyond 42,300. That will be the only point above which the bulls will be taking over. And yes, this should become a reversal sign. Again, I am highlighting this should become a reversal sign once it trades beyond 42,150 200 levels. Stochastic at bottom here. The MACD, if you look at the MACD, is almost flat. It is trading in green. RSI is flat as well. On the two, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. See, lower lows are done. It is trying to fly. It has to stay now above 42,150 160 or in 42,200 zone. If 42,200 is taken, we can look forward to a move towards 42,300 2,450 and in fact higher levels. This is possible that it can show you complete recovery from here. Now notice this, lower highs and lower lows are there. It is very very important for US30 to come out of this, which means 42,300 is something you should watch out for, and then 42,450. Beyond that, sky is the limit. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Stochastic comfortable here. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, trying to retrace a little on the upside. RSI is also staying oversold. It can try to recover here. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar as the formation, lower lows are there. I'm waiting for it to trade beyond now 42 150 160 zone and then 42 200. Beyond this, we can look forward to a good bullish move, taking it above 42 300 320 levels. If these two are taken, certainly it's a reversal here. Stochastic oversold. MACD is traded extremely bearish, trying to converge here. Wait for a crossover. RSI is oversold as well. It can post a recovery here. Be mindful of this. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, the observation is similar. Lower highs there. It is trying to recover. It is trying to bounce back. Lower lows means it has a potential tilt towards 42,300. Now, that is the only level. Again, I am saying 42,300 320 is the only level today above which it is going to turn bullish. Else, it is still not to be treated bullish here. Remember what has happened after the drop. It is retraced, showing a reversal of sign. It has dropped again. Now it is trying to bounce back. It is possible that it can bounce back. How far? 42,300 320 is the level. If it breaks, we can look forward to a greater move towards 42,450 42,600. And beyond that, sky is the limit, 42,800. Stochastic oversold. MACD extremely bearish. RSI extremely oversold here. Coming to the day, now when you see the daily charts here, see it is hit lower lows and it is outside Bollinger Bands. This is very important observation. It is outside Bollinger Bands. It is putting extreme pressure on the bands to expand, and this is the fourth. You can see straight bearish candles are observed here. Now it is very important for US30 to trade above 42 300 320. Now notice it is seen a pull here. It is shown the lower lows. It can bounce back up again. It can deliver lower highs. So this is the band which I am looking at, and the highs here are towards 42 700. Yes, it can show you massive swings here. Be mindful of this. Today the options expiry, and US30 is the one which impacts the most here, thus you should be careful. If you look at the stock, I think this is oversold. MACD extremely bearish and RSI oversold. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 42 150 160 zone. And once it breaks beyond 42 200 specifically, just stay bullish for 42 300 320. And if 42 300 320 is taken, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 42 450 42 600, and in 42 700 is also possible. Beyond this, 42 800 is on the charts, and then see, sky is the limit. 43,000 levels cannot be denied. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 42,020 levels. Now 42,020, if it takes, be careful at 41,950 900. Very good support exists at 41,950 900. If that is taken, then 41,800. And if 41,800 is taken, because 41,800 I see as a greater support for the day. If 41,800 is taken, I think it is not going to come back up again. We are looking forward to a greater correction towards 41,500 400 zone very soon. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.